Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make Rava Kesari. This is a popular sweet that is made from semolina or rava, also known as Sooji. This dessert is often served either with breakfast or after lunch, especially during festivals and special occasions such as weddings. Let's see how to make this popular sweet dessert. First, heat some oil such as coconut oil or vegan butter. Fry some cashew nuts on moderate heat until slightly brown. Then add raisins and continue stirring. Now crush 3 cardamoms and add the powder. Next, add some vermicelli or semia. This is entirely optional but will add to the taste. Fry until the raisins are puffed up. Then remove all the ingredients from the pan and set aside. Next, add vegan butter into the pan and add the rava. I'm using fine rava, but either coarse or fine rava can be used. Fry for 5 minutes on low heat, just enough to cook the rava without browning. Remove the rava from the pan and set aside. Now pour 5 cups of water into the same pan. Use the same cup that was used earlier to measure the rava. Add sugar, either brown or white sugar as preferred. For this dish, since it is a sweet, normally 1.5 to 2 cups of sugar may be added. Next, add a pinch of salt and some yellow food grade coloring. You can use saffron strands instead for a natural food coloring. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then bring the water to a rapid boil at high heat. Once the water is bubbling, reduce the heat to moderate and add the rava gradually. Take care to add rava gradually while stirring to prevent lumps from forming. Continue to stir and break up any lumps. Now add the pre-fried cashews, raisins and semia. Mix well until the liquid is absorbed. Let's prepare a tray for the kesari. Brush the tray with some butter or oil. Then pour the kesari mixture into the tray. Level with a spoon, then flatten with non-stick paper. Allow the mixture to cool down for about 30 minutes. Then cut into shapes according to your preferences. Rava Kesari is ready for serving. It is very tasty and appetizing. Although my version is less sweet and less oily, it tastes just as good as Rava Kesari that is served in restaurants and at weddings. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe for more easy recipes.